Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use WhatsApp countdown timer status. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp, and on the bottom of your screen, you're going to see this little updates tab. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Once you simply go ahead and tap on it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the camera icon and create a status. You want to simply go ahead and select an image or anything that you want to simply go ahead and put in. Now, all you need to do is swipe up from the bottom of your screen, just like that. And once you simply go ahead and do so, you're going to see this little stickers tab where you can simply go ahead and find the countdown timer. You can simply go ahead and select or tap on the countdown, and this is where you can name your event, put in the date when it is happening and the time, so that the timer is going to be accurate. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.